Hello, my name is Nakia and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If you're new to this channel, could you please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe? So I would like to thank you all for tuning into this channel and also helping me celebrate my 6th anniversary with YouTube. Yes, I have been on YouTube for 6 years. My has time flown. When I first started this channel, I was, but I still am, an interior decorator and professional organizer. But at the time, my life was less hectic then. At the time, I only had 2 sons. The oldest was in high school and the youngest was probably around elementary. 2 boys. Since then, my children have doubled. I actually now have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. The girls are currently 3 and 6 months. So with me working full-time, having a YouTube channel, being an interior decorator, teaching at the college, now I have a child that's a grown man, I have a junior high school child, a toddler, and a newborn. So with all of that, managing time and managing my household is something that I have to do. So I do have more tricks and tools and different things that I can share. So my very first YouTube video was a joke. I mean, I wasn't even on the video at all. It was just a video about mirror mates. It was probably 30 seconds and it was a slideshow. My thumbnails were ridiculous when I first started. You know, just the whole YouTube thing was very, very new to me. And now I'm definitely nowhere near an expert, but I'm a lot better than where I started. You know, my thumbnails are, I have myself, my face are on the thumbnails. I'm doing different things. I've increased the type of videos I do, so instead of just decorating and home decor, I'm also doing some planning and productivity items as well. I now have a free course that I offer. It's 5 days to organize home and life course. And if you're interested in that, you can see that in the description box. I also have a paid course, a full home and organizing course. It is $99 and I'll put a link to both of those below. I also now do 15-minute free Skype calls to people that have needs and just want to Skype with me, just get some information about how to, you know, better manage and organize their time and their life strategies. I had a Periscope, but I'm no longer doing Periscope. And one of the things I'm going to do now with the old Periscope footage is kind of get it all together and make it a playlist on YouTube, because in those Periscopes I talk about organizing your home, planning tips, life organizations, different strategies. So I do feel that that information shouldn't just go on the wayside. Maybe that's something that some of my YouTube subscribers want to see. Now I have a Hot Topic segment and I'm really looking forward to my next Hot Topic. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because my next Hot Topic will be about the rise and fall of Pier 1. So with that, I definitely look forward to what YouTube has to offer for me, and then also what I have to share with my followers. So once again, if you are new to this channel, give this channel a subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be on the notification squad, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. So until then, thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.